Welcome Tech Brothers. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect to the SQL Analytics Endpoint in the Lakehouse by using SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. Why I want to do that? Because that interface I'm actually very much familiar and I feel comfortable writing my code there, and it give me a lot of options. So what you are going to do, you're going to go to your workspace here, and in the workspace, let's say you have lake houses. I have managed them or put them into the under the lake house folder. So in this case, your case, maybe you will have straightforward right there wherever you have but let's click on that, and once you go to the lake house, you're gonna see two things. Each lake house has two items created. One is called semantic model. When you create the lake house, it will create the semantic model. Also, it will create the SQL Analytics endpoint. So these two items will be created automatically when you create the lake house. So here is Tech Brothers Lakehouse, and I want to use this SQL Analytic Endpoint to connect by using SSMS. So I'm going to click right there on three dots, and let me click right there. You say here it says that open in SSMS. Now I can copy this server name and then go to the SSMS, and here I will go to connect, go to database engine, and then here in the server name I'm going to provide that string. Then provide the authentication, and I'm using Microsoft Entra multi-factor authentication. Now this is my username that I'm using, and then what I will do, I will go back here and then I'll copy the database name. I will come right here and provide the database name. Now if I will go back here, and you need to see the user, you can always go back here, and this is the user, you can always copy from there. So that's your user. Now we are gonna go ahead and go to SSMS and hit connect, and it's gonna connect to our SQL endpoint, and then we will be able to query those delta tables which are saved in the Lakehouse. Let's click on the databases here, and under the databases we are looking for Tech Brothers Lakehouse. So that's the Lakehouse, and this should have some tables that we have. So I'm going to show you those tables, and here are the list of those tables. We have data flow, we have sales data, customer, and all that. I can right click here and then say top 1000 rows, and then it's going to write the query right here and going to show me the output. So these tables are exactly the same table. If I'll go back here into the Lakehouse, click right there and go to the tables tab, and these are the same tables. But with the SSMS, I feel more comfortable. As I said, that I've been using this tool for a long time, and it is very helpful. So I hope you will be able to use this tool and join the data or whatever you want to do, filter the data, and the query in this IDE is helpful. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.